guys, what's going on? Oh, focus. Okay, there we go. I just really quick, I got Atlas Pro, the Superatv Atlas Pro boxed A-arms, which are pretty sick looking. A little pricey, but that's what I got. That's the reveal. The reason why I'm telling you this now is because when I start installing them, I might just do short clips and probably not say anything, just kind of do like a preview and just a reveal once I, like the process I do, process that I do to put them on. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and this is what it looked like with the Atlas Pro rear arms. I only did the rear so far because we can't afford the front yet, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Not too shabby looking. Yeah, these arms are cheap. Not solid at all compared to those bad boys. Things gonna look sweet on here. Put the lug nuts back on though, just so I don't lose them. Oops, just like that. Look at that. The stock one, Superatvs. There's a nice difference there. I'm excited. All right, we got the first set on. There's the stock. There's the new. The camber looks pretty at 0, and it did. So from the floor to this corner is 37 inches, and on the other side it's like 35 inches. So it actually lifted it for some reason, which is cool. And then here, I just did a quick little measure. There's about 1.5 inch, 1.25 more wheel space, so, or wheelbase. So looks like it did pretty good. Thing's a little dirty, but I'm just gonna finish up the other side, and then maybe during this weekend I can show you guys the aftermath. So it looks like it pretty good. Just a couple complications, but not too bad. All right, well, we'll see you guys. All right, here she is, all done. I didn't measure the clearance beforehand, but the driver's side went on really good. This side, the previous owner rolled it on this side, so everything on this side is messed up. So that was a pain, but dang, these things turned out good. Very good. Look at that. Superatv, the Atlas Pro boxed A-arms. Look freaking good.